Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the man cave. Okay guys, we got another box here for today, so without further ado, we'll get straight into it. Open this up because I know what it is anyway, so yeah, this is just an addition to the man cave, as they say. But this is kind of to make the place look better, I suppose. So guys, here we have this box out of the way. Oh, no. Okay guys, we have the IKERY RGB LED strip lights. So we just have this for the man cave, bit of decoration. Okay, these are cuttable. Obviously you can put it on a timer, DIY, obviously for fitting, RGB and dimming. And these should be yeah, you can just see it there. For 7 strip lights. Okay, and then the other side of the box is just a warm prompt. Now again, I bought these off Amazon and these should be 24 volts as far as I know. They should be, because they are a long one. And these are just clips that I bought, just to hang them up. I'll open these up here and just have a look. Hopefully they're the right ones. But yeah guys, it's no die-cast car today, or Playmobil stuff, but if you're new to the channel, I'm sure you'll say, well, that's just. Okay guys, these are just different types of connectors, just to connect the lights. But yeah, we got a bag in here. What's in the bag? Okay, yeah, we have nuts, screws, and obviously clips to place around the lights. What else have we got? Let's just open it up here. Oh, clips and self-adhesive tapes. But let's see what comes with the lights. I'm already making this video longer than it needs to be. I just said instead of opening them on my own, that I would share it with you guys. Right, anyway. Oh, it's not. Okay, so I have no way of plugging this in as of yet. Okay, but we got our 2 reels as well. So let's go see if we can find a plug, and let's see if we can plug this in. I actually have a plug here, but We'll just put these back in. Ah, yes. No problem. Okay, we have power. We have power. So what else do we have? Okay, we got 3 of them anyway. Should have more than enough connectors. So let's get these lights open. Let's see what we have. So we got our set of instructions. Our app. Our connectors. And our plug. And let's hope it's a UK plug. And our remote control. Oh, it's not. Okay, so I have no way of plugging this in as of yet. Okay, but we got our 2 reels as well. So let's go see if we can find a plug and let's see if we can plug this in. As you can see there, so it's got a little bit flimsy. But once they're in, they're in. Okay, guys, so let's let's just plug these in and see what we have. This way with the arrow, and the arrow is down this way. So it has to go this way. Not exactly a great connection. And another here. I've got an arrow here. I presume it's arrow with arrow. Very loose. Let's see. And shall we plug in the other one just to see? As they say, why not? In for a penny, in for a pound. Well, let's just, as you can see, I'm not going to open them just yet. So, as you can see, you go. It's not just plug in, you got to get the little pins into the holes. As you can see there, so it's kind of a bit flimsy. But once they're in, they're in. The light, anyway, now it is bright out, but as you can see, there's a lot of lights there. A hell of a lot of lights there. And we shall try the remote. So first we shall turn it off. If it turns off. Turn off. No. Let's see if there's a battery in it in the first place. And there is a battery in it. So it comes with battery installed. Place the battery back in. what she's doing. So we'll try turn it off. Okay, we'll try blue. Blue works. This one's off. I think that's the brightest. Doesn't seem to be doing that. Remote control is not the best. Colours, I changed the colours, no problem. Okay, that's right, here's the brightness. Semi-bright. Dark, and then do we go up or down? Can we go up or down? No. We do an auto function. We can do check, we have timer. We have I don't know what that is. Oh, it's dimmer, I think. Or is it changing the sound? Oh, it still changes the sound. What's W? W is white. Oh, you just can't really see it there. My apologies. And yeah, that's white. Do we have slow auto flash? I'll try flash. That's not bad. And fade. And then we should be able to make this slower or faster, is it? Yeah. Now there is an app with this. I'll try green, red, blue, white, pink. That's supposed to be orange, peach, yellow. Looks more green. Well, if you can pick it up there, if it looks yellow, it looks more green. Blue, purple, blue, purple. Blue. But yeah, guys, that's it anyway. As I said, just got this for the old man cave. We will be putting them around the ceilings and the walls and stuff. See how it looks. Again, it's by IKERY. I'll just turn on the light there. And just plug it out here and we'll check. Okay guys, as you can see, I managed to get them to do actually open, yeah. A bit difficult now. Get a real small screwdriver, as you can see. Hang on, I'll put you here. We've downloaded the app, so everything is good on that. But yeah, to open these guys, you got it. A real small screwdriver. Stick it in. So it's difficult enough to open these now, I have to say. But, stick it in and it should just pop when you pull it down. Well, they're fiddly. I spend more time now actually opening these clips than you need a real tin screwdriver. Now for the length of the light, just the camera focuses there, you'll be able to see it. It's 24 volts, so it should be more than enough power anyway for the length of lights that the air. As I said, they're long. Should be 160. But yeah, that's all you get in the box, guys. With the instructions, and we should have. Yeah, we have a Q code. So what I'll do now is actually I will plug them in. I'll download the Q code and I'll take a look. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, you're liking the channel. As I said, it's not much today, it's no die-cast cars today, but I do have a few surprises in store. Please like and subscribe. Yeah, give us a thumbs up if you're liking it. I do have more exciting things coming up. As I said, we've done the DeLorean. I will do a full depth review of that because we do have the 5 cars in total. I just haven't got around to doing it. But yeah, guys, that's it. Anyway, cheers. Thanks. I'll probably put a link in the description if I know how to. But yeah, different boxes than what's on the website. The website now would have the either 20 meters or 30 meters just up here in the corner. And then it has warm white, I think, and something else where the bright is. I think it's dark or something. And then it has 16 million colours where the RGB is on this. But so far, guys, in honest opinion, like for what they are, I suppose they're, you know, they're not expensive, not cheap either. But I said, messing around with the app there now for a bit, and that's probably just getting used to it, but I wouldn't be overly too impressed with them. As I said, it's bright at the moment, so what I'm going to do is get these guys cracked open so we can find a better tool to do it. And yeah, I'll install a few of them today and see how it goes, and we'll take it from there. Right, guys, without further ado, we shall talk to you later. Have a great day, and I probably will add on to this video, as I said, later on when it's dark. But yeah, still some great things to come, guys. So yeah, stay tuned. Cheers, thanks.